I studied in China from 2013 to 2018. I graduated with a bachelor's of degree in law from Hebei University, Economics and Business.
China's technological development is very, very fast. Every day there's something new happening in technology. There'll be a new feature on your WeChat, on Taobao, and every day there's a change. One thing that I was very impressed in China is the transportation service, the public transportation services. A bus will come at exactly 11:05, and it will tell you it will come at 11:05, and it will even tell you when the next 3 buses will come. Also the metro is very, very convenient, very cheap, and also the high-speed railway. They have other options. The high speed might be a bit expensive, but you have other options. You have T trains, K trains, and all these other, less expensive trains. It's not just for the high income earners. They've considered low income earners as well. China is very beautiful. There's a few places I didn't get to visit, like Guilin. I want to visit Guilin the next time. Guilin and Chongqing. And I really want to go and eat Chinese food. Especially malatang. I love malatang. The environment of China is very beautiful, right? So all the cities, though it's all skyscrapers, but you will always see nature in the Chinese cities. Like, it's not forgotten, it's not put aside. Nature is always there, and it's very beautiful. Every city has so many big parks, beautiful parks, and we can learn a lot more from China. The good things that we have learned in China, we also hope to bring it back to Fiji and implement it in our society and to modernize our own country.